To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the How Others Can Interact With You section. Once there, select Messages and Story Replies. In the What You See in Messages section, you will find the new update called Nudity Protection. If you don't see it, ensure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once it appears, tap on it. Tap the toggle next to Nudity Protection to enable it. In the confirmation window that appears, select Turn On to activate the feature. From now on, only photos sent or received with detected nudity will be blurred. They stay blurred unless you view them or turn off nudity protection. So that's how you can turn on nudity protection on Instagram.